Welcome back to Reviewz Heaven. Today, we're diving into the world of pasta with the top 5 best pasta makers you can get your hands on. Whether you're a pasta pro or a newbie looking to bring homemade pasta to your kitchen, we've got something for everyone. From versatile, adjustable machines to durable, easy-to-clean options, we're covering the best pasta makers that will take your meals to the next level. So, if you're ready to ditch store-bought pasta and go fresh, stay tuned to see which of these top picks might just be your perfect match. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine. Introducing the Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine, the perfect tool for any pasta lover. Made from food-grade material, this pasta maker is both safe and durable, designed to handle all your pasta-making needs. It's easy to clean, too. While the blade attachment shouldn't be washed with water, you can easily remove any leftover dough using a brush, toothpick, or wooden stick, keeping it sharp and ready for next time. With 9 adjustable thickness settings, the Sailnovo lets you control your pasta texture. Whether you're craving thick, hearty noodles, or delicate, paper-thin dumpling skins, this machine can handle it all. The thickness can reach up to 3 millimeters, or as thin as 0.5 millimeters for dumpling wrappers. Not only can you adjust the thickness, but there are 2 cutting widths to suit any pasta dish you're in the mood for, from 2.0 millimeters for spaghetti to 4.5 millimeters for fettuccine. This versatile pasta maker truly meets every pasta-making need. Ideal as a gift, the Sailnovo is easy for anyone to use, from kids to grandparents. With its sturdy, manual design, this pasta maker makes a fun, hands-on kitchen addition. Whether you're a beginner or a pasta pro, the Sailnovo pasta maker brings fresh pasta to your kitchen with ease. Number 2. ISILER Pasta Maker with Rollers and Cutter. Meet the ISILER Pasta Maker, the ideal tool for homemade, restaurant-quality pasta. With its smooth roller, this machine delivers a consistent texture for chewy, authentic pasta, making every meal a gourmet experience. Unlike automatic machines that can tear or squeeze the dough, the ISILER offers full control over the process. One standout feature is the 9 adjustable thickness settings. With just a turn of the knob, you can adjust the dough thickness from 0.3 to 2.6 millimeters, allowing you to customize your pasta's texture and taste. Plus, its unique cutter lets you choose between 2 cutting widths, 2 millimeters for spaghetti or 6.6 millimeters for fettuccine, making it versatile for various pasta types. Built with high-quality aluminum alloy, the ISILER is safe, durable, and equipped with a sturdy table clamp to keep it stable. Cleaning is also easy, thanks to the detachable cutter, which allows for thorough access to the rollers. For anyone passionate about pasta, the ISILER is a game-changer. Number 3. MARCATO Classic Manual Pasta Maker. Presenting the MARCATO Atlas 150 Classic Manual Pasta Maker, an Italian-made machine that brings authentic, homemade pasta to your kitchen. Crafted from durable chrome-plated steel, the Atlas 150 is designed to last a lifetime, giving you restaurant-quality pasta with ease. With 10 adjustable thickness settings, you can roll dough sheets up to 150 millimeters wide, perfect for customizing lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini. The smooth rollers and clear dials make it easy to achieve consistent textures and cook times for every pasta dish. A standout feature of the Atlas 150 is its compatibility with various attachments. You can even add a pasta drive motor and explore 12 other cutting accessories, expanding your pasta-making possibilities. Though it requires hand washing, cleaning is simple, ensuring long-lasting performance. Built for stability, the machine includes a sturdy clamp that firmly secures it to your countertop. For anyone serious about making traditional pasta, the MARCATO Atlas 150 is a timeless kitchen companion that delivers exceptional value and quality. Number 4. Nuvantee Pasta Maker with Rollers and Cutter. Meet the Nuvantee Pasta Maker Machine, a manual pasta press that brings gourmet quality to your kitchen. With 7 adjustable thickness settings from 2 millimeters to 6 millimeters, it allows for easy customization, whether you're making spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, or even dumpling skins. This machine is built for versatility, and some users even use it as a clay roller. The sleek stainless steel finish not only looks stylish but also adds durability. The rollers and cutter are made from washable aluminum alloy, allowing for easier cleaning. Although some customers mention stability concerns, the machine's separated structure makes the cutters easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting quality. Assembly is simple, making it a great choice for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. It's even a thoughtful gift idea, perfect for anyone who loves cooking or experimenting with homemade pasta. For anyone looking to add a reliable pasta maker to their kitchen, the Nuvantee pasta maker is both a functional and stylish choice. Number 5. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment Pasta Roller and Cutter. Introducing the KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set, a powerful addition to any KitchenAid stand mixer. With this attachment set, you can make fresh pasta from scratch quickly and easily, elevating your homemade meals to restaurant quality. The set includes a pasta roller, a spaghetti cutter, and a fettuccine cutter, giving you versatility and convenience in one package. This attachment is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring consistent, smooth rolling and precise cutting for perfect pasta every time. The pasta roller creates 6-inch sheets and features 8 adjustable thickness settings, so you can achieve the exact texture and thickness you prefer. The best part? It's powered directly by your KitchenAid stand mixer, making the entire process hands-free and efficient. Simply attach it, roll out your dough, and use the cutters for classic spaghetti or fettuccine noodles. For anyone with a KitchenAid mixer, this pasta set is a fantastic way to make fresh pasta effortlessly. That's it for our top 5 best pasta makers. Whether you're after classic Italian pasta or want versatility in the kitchen, there's a pasta maker for everyone here. Thanks for watching Reviewz Heaven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite in the comments.